Today, I'll show you how to link your partner on the Flow app. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. Flow's official help says this feature is called Flow for Partners, and to start sharing with a partner, you need to be at least 18 years old, or 20 years old in South Korea. Flow also says your partner needs to install the Flow app too, because the connection works through a pairing code. To get started, open the Flow app on your phone and go to the Partner tab. Flow says you can usually find this tab at the bottom right-hand side of the screen, next to other sections like Messages. Once you open it, tap the button that says Link Your Partner. After that, Flow will generate a message with a unique pairing code. This code is what your partner needs to connect with your account. Send that code to your partner using the message option Flow gives you, or copy it and share it another way if needed. Now your partner needs to do their part. Flow says your partner should download the Flow app, open it, and enter the pairing code you sent. Once they type in the code correctly, the two accounts become linked. After that, you can start sharing your cycle data with them through Flow for Partners. There's also something important to remember here. Flow says you remain the main user, and you can stop sharing at any time. If you turn sharing off, your partner will no longer be able to see your data or use the partner feature with your account. Flow also says you can start sharing again later during your subscription period by using the same Link Your Partner button again. If you want to know what your partner can actually see, Flow has a separate Partners Help section for that. Flow says the partner feature is designed to share selected cycle and pregnancy information, while some private details remain under your control. So, in simple terms, open Flow, go to the Partner tab, tap Link Your Partner, send the pairing code, and have your partner enter that code in their Flow app. That's the official way to link your partner in Flow. And that's how to link your partner on the Flow app. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.